Hi everyone, welcome to Food and Spices. Today we'll be showing you how to make Naan Khatai. अगर आप ये वीडियो उर्दू में देखना चाहें तो नीचे दिए हुए लिंक पे क्लिक कीजिए। To make these Naan Khatais, we will be needing 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half cup of gram flour, half cup of powdered sugar, some pistachios for garnishing, 2.5 tablespoons of semolina, a pinch of cardamom powder, a pinch of salt, half cup of ghee or melted butter. You can start by preheating your oven to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Now combine all the dry ingredients, which is the all-purpose flour, the gram flour, the semolina, the powdered sugar, salt, cardamom powder. Once you have added all the dry ingredients together, you can mix them together really well. Now add the ghee or melted butter to the dry ingredients to form a dough. Once mixed, your dough will look something like this. Now you can lay out the dough on a clean work surface. You can knead the dough and form it as shown here. If your dough is still crumbly, you can always add a tablespoon of ghee or butter to form the dough. Once the dough is formed, you can divide it into 16 equal pieces. If you want to be precise, you can always weigh the pieces so the cookies are equal in size. Now you can shape each portion as shown here to form the Naan Khatai. Once you have achieved this shape, you can make an indent in the center with your finger. Once they are all shaped, you can place them on a silicone mat and garnish with pistachios. These are now ready to bake for 17 to 18 minutes. And there you go, our Naan Khatais are now ready to eat. These make a perfect snack for tea time, or you can store them away to eat at a later time. So do give them a try and don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time on Food and Spices.